Okay, guys, it is time. Are we about to crash into that? Yes! Oh. Okay, I'm almost done. What the heck just happened? Okay, just got my gun. I'm ready to go. I think I hear a war coming on. Wake up. What is it? Behind you? Okay, I know this isn't right. Have they reached us yet? Yes. Cover them. Cover us, I guess. We need backup.
This one's here, you took it.
Eat this. Take this. Ouch. He's dead. Woohoo! Yeah! Rock and load. That guy over there is gonna get it. Uh-oh. Is he alive? Yes, he is. Well, he's dead. Is it over? No. Do we surrender? Uh-huh. Yes, we do. This is all your fault. Why? I don't know. You didn't come prepared. We're gonna torture you. If you're gonna torture us, I'll at least let him go. Fine, I'll let him go. Sir, no! You're gonna get it. Sir! No! He's gone. This guy's dead. I know, I can see that. Are you smack talking your boss? No, sir. Good. Did the alarm go off? No, not yet, sir. Good. We got time to get to our home. Okay, sir. We're gonna be right on it. What do they need? Oh! He needed to come here and get some weapons. Hey, can you go check what he's doing? He's taking forever. Yes, I will. These are so heavy. We're here. Are they heavy? Very. Well, where do you want us to put this? Over there. Pick out your weapon. Okay, we picked out the weapons. Okay. Bring them over. Okay, we're here. What do you want? Who can shoot the best? Whoever can't shoot the best dies. Go get me a weapon as fast as you can.